Hey guys, what's going on? It's Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper.
Flippers, it's Jasmine and Derek.
Yeah, you're right. Flippers, ATL Flippers. You guys didn't know, my wife has joined the team now. Oh yeah, it's going down. But today, we're going to show you all what sold.
What we did was we looked at items that we sold 70 or higher. So listen, y'all, we sold several items the past few weeks, but we really wanted to target those high ticket items. So stay tuned.
If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's go.
Hey you guys, it's Jasmine and I'm here sitting in the hubby's big chair. Haha babe. So we're about to go through what sold. The first item up was the iWalk hands-free crutch. Listen you guys, my husband said he got it for $7, but we sold it for $80. It was only listed for a few days and I personally listed it myself. So whoop whoop to the iWalk, whoop whoop to the hubby.
The next item we picked up was a pair of Nike Air Force Ones, and we only paid $6 for them, but they sold for $70. Air Force Ones, they sell very, very well for us. So whenever we see Air Force Ones in the thrift store or wherever we are sourcing at, we always pick them up. Then I picked up these Dr. Martin women boots, and women boots actually sell very well for us. So I picked it up for $9, and they sold for $70, free shipping.
The next item, guys, was this beautiful meat telescope with the heavy tripod. So my husband got it at Goodwill for $9.99, but you guys, we sold this item for $200. Not only that, but the buyer also paid $66 in shipping. So shout out to the telescope, even though that thing was heavy, babe.
Then we sold this Patagonia Nanostorm women's jacket. You want to specifically look for Nanostorm. It should say it on the sleeve. And these jackets, guys, sell for a lot of money. We paid around $8 or $9 for it, and it sold for $145.
This next item that sold, it was actually my first time thrifting, and I found it. Listen, it was an adult girdle, and we sold it, y'all, for $40. I'm so excited because this was one of my first items, but listen, it works. The girdle, free shipping, $40. We paid, what, babe, $5.99 for it?
Yep.
So, woo-woo.
This next item is a really good brand that you need to look out for. It's called Tumi. This luggage bag, we only paid $8 for it, and it sold for $125, y'all. So Tumi is a really good brand to resell, and the resale value on it is really good. So make sure you look out for Tumi.
The next item, you already know, was those Nike men's Huaraches. My husband got it for $6, but we flipped it and sold it for $64, and it was free shipping.
Y'all, this next item, I was just really disappointed because the next item was a helmet. It was a football helmet, but I thought it was the Atlanta Falcons helmet, but it was actually the Detroit Lions. I was actually about to throw it on the road, but I chose not to. I chose to put it on eBay and only paid $10 for it, but it sold for $220. So I'm glad that I didn't throw it away.
Me too, boy. The next item up were these Jordan 1s, and we sold them for $85 free shipping. We only paid $6 for it, and they probably sat on the shelf about a week and a half, but we got it up out of there.
And then I found this, what's up, Doc? Space Jam Bugs Bunny 1996 vintage blanket, y'all. I only paid, I believe it was like $2 or $3 for it, but it sold for $100 free shipping.
And to all of our hikers out there, you guys are gonna love this next item. The next item we sold was this amazing green hiking backpack, and it was from JanSport. So we got this item for $9. We sold it for $90.
A few weeks ago, I was in a Goodwill, and I went to the electronics section, just looking around to see if I can, find anything to resell. I saw this white helmet, y'all. I've never seen it before in my life. I looked it up on eBay, looked up the comps, and it was crazy. I only paid $9 for it, and it's called the Iris Store Hair Growth Laser System, and it sold for $300. So if you ever see this item, make sure you pick it up.
The next item we sold was these Jordan 13s, and we sold it for $160. We actually got these items from a bundle from our neighbor, so shout out to the neighbor.
Let's go! This next item, I only paid $8 for it, and it was a pair of Nike Air Max 97s, and these sold for $90 free shipping.
The next item up, y'all already know, were these Jordan 1s that we sold for $89. We only paid $11 for it. So listen, specifically with these retros, they usually go for a lot, but you want to make sure you always check the comps.
Then I picked up these Jordan True Blue 3s, and these were a size 6Y, and they sold for $90. Guys, I only paid $6 for these shoes. If you see these type of Jordan 3s, if you see specifically retros, just like my wife said, and then make sure you look up the comps because usually they sell really well on eBay.
So this next item, we paid a little bit up for it. They was taxing a little bit, but we got these Nike Vapor Max for $55. But here's the thing, y'all, we flipped it for $140. So sometimes you gotta pay up a little bit, but when you know you're gonna get a profit, it's worth it.
Then a couple of weeks ago, I picked up 10 of these Carhartt men's shirts. They were all size XXL, and I only paid $1.99 for them each. So I have $20 into them, and we sold these for $100 free shipping. Then the next item I picked up was this designer Salvatore Ferragamo shoes, and I paid $12 for them, but they sold for $70 free shipping.
The next item we sold, we only paid $2 for it. Y'all hear me? $2. And we sold it for $80, you guys. It was the Nintendo GameCube controller. Listen, if you guys are out in the store and you see the white controllers, they go for a lot more money. So you want to make sure you look out for the white GameCube controllers, because listen, you can flip $2 into $80 super quick.
The next item we sold was an adjustable bed remote. It sold for $81, and guys, I only paid $1 for it. Well, I'm sorry, $1.01 for it. When you see remotes, make sure you look them up, because sometimes they sell for really good money. And guys, we didn't just sell one remote, we sold 2 of them. And both of them sold for $81.95.
The next item up were these Reebok men's Kamikaze shoes. We sold them for $119, and we only paid, I think, about like $9 for this item, and it was free shipping.
This next item I picked up, I paid $90 for it. I paid up a little bit, but it was a pair of Louis Vuitton shoes, and it sold for $350. Then I picked up these Reeboks. I only paid $10 for them, and they sold for $80.
This next item is a fast seller. If you see it, run and get it at the store. It's the TI-84 Plus calculator. We got this item for $3.99, and we flipped it for $80.
Then the last item we picked up, it was about 2 months ago, but they were Danner boots. If you see Danner boots, pick them up. Danner boots, y'all, sell very, very well on eBay, and I only paid, I think it was around like $11 to $12 for them, but they sold for $150. Danner boots, even if they're beat up, they still sell very well. So if you see these boots Danner, make sure you grab them, but also look up the cups. Hey guys, that's all we have for you guys today. And when you're out sourcing, wherever you go, thrift stores, yard sales, wherever you go to source to find your inventory, make sure you look out for these items, because these are high ticket items that sell really, really good on eBay.
Yeah, and if you guys like the video, if you like the content, don't worry, we got you. We're going to start doing more of these videos to let you guys know what's sold.
Yep. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. All right, we're going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL.